Hello, and welcome to Everything Finance, where I help business owners get funding, startup business owners get funding, and also offer credit repair service to help not only business owners but regular people as well. So, in today's video, I will talk about which credit card should you get. Well, as for me, in my personal opinion, I really don't, you know, really, really approve credit cards as I stated, in my last video or the video before that. Um, you don't really need a credit card. You can build credit or get credit without using an actual credit card to do that. And I stated that in the video I made before not too long ago. You actually can use a jewelry store card. You can use one of those like K's Jewelers. They offer like a credit card, and you can use that, and they give you credit. So, but I really, for me personally, I only really consider, like credit cards for like people that's kind of like in business, it's like something like that, like you using it for a business or whatever like that. I would consider, them to actually get a car. It would actually make more sense, but if you're gonna insist on using a credit card, and you want to maybe not a high limit credit card, but you just want a credit card in general. Okay, well, I did some research and I found the top three that maybe you should think about getting. Now, the first one is called Fidelity, or what is it? Let me see here. Yeah, Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature. They offer an unlimited 2% cash back when deposited into an eligible Fidelity account. So I'll give you a couple of more things that they do offer. They offer unlimited cash back. Earning is unlimited with no caps or category restrictions. Global entry or TSA pre-check benefit. Earn up to $100 in reward points when you apply for either global entry or TSA pre-check. No annual fees. They offer no fees. Plus no foreign transaction fees. Also, they cover auto rental coverage, auto rental collision damage waiver up to $75,000 at no cost to you. No cost to you. They also have a zero fraud liability, which means you get reimbursed for 100% of fraud losses due to unauthorized account use. So, I mean, that's pretty good, for starters. They've been rated the best cashback credit card 7 years in a row. 7 years in a row. So if you were to get a credit card, I mean, I would probably start here first before going on to a different credit card. Now, I have a second one that I did research on, and this second one is called Chase Sapphire Reserve. I think this one really deals with traveling, but I'll read what it offers. It offers the Chase Sapphire Reserve is a premium travel rewards credit card from Chase, offering a mix of rewards, benefits, and perks for frequent travelers. It has a $550 annual fee, but it includes benefits like a $300 annual travel credit, access to airport lounges, and sign-up bonuses, along with you paying the annual fee. So you would get that directly upon, once you pay the annual fee, you'll get a $300 credit, annual travel credit, automatically once you do that. Okay, all right. They got sign up bonus, earn 60,000 points after spending 5,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. They got annual travel credit. Receive a $300 statement credit on eligible travel purchases each year. Bonus reward points. They got 5 total points on flight and 10 total points on hotels and car rentals purchased through Chase Travel. 3 points on other travel and dining, and 1 point per $1 spent on other purchases. Airport lounge access. Complimentary access to 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass. Okay, now for the last one I'm gonna talk about is American Express Platinum Card. You can sign up for them, and I'm gonna see what they offer here. I got it pulled up here for you. They offer get up to $200 cash back in statement credits each year on select prepaid hotel bookings through American Express Travel using the Platinum Card. Okay, they got digital entertainment. Get up to $20 in statement credits each month after you pay for eligible purchases with the Platinum Card at participating partners. So they offer that. And Walmart credit, get up to $12.95 statement credit back each month after you pay for a monthly Walmart membership. And they offer airline fee credit, get up to $200 per calendar year in statement credits after incidental fees you are charged by your one selected qualifying airline to your card. So those are the 3. If you must sign up for a credit card, those are the 3 that I would recommend that you sign up for, because they offer the most benefits, and so you don't end up getting with the wrong company. So again, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to stay tuned in the next video. Take care, and I will see y'all in the next video. Take care. Peace.